is formed the way your name is spelled. I don't know which way I felt, but now I'm anew. And I can't help it every time when I'm just loving the view, loving you. A simple text and I'm just done feeling blue. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, I'm happy when I think about you, ecstatic to be around you. It's a really healthy addiction. Tell my friends that I'm infatuated, they think you're fiction. It's something different. It's my mission to show you the definition of loyalty and commitment. Lately I've been feeling like there's something missing from this daily unwind. I've been wasting my time to think that I can survive without you. Yeah, you say you think that I'm cool, I really think that you're cute. Sitting all in your room, I can show you my poems and you can play me your tunes. We can listen to music and I can stay for a few and then we fall asleep. Something about your honesty, honestly, something about the way I feel is saying that you're hard to beat. It's not hard to see. Something about the way you look is on a beat. All my life I've been feeling like a puzzle, but I was missing a piece. You really fit into place, you really make me complete. So yeah, I get happy when I just see a name. It's a shame I'm insane, but you're simply perfect. Through the blemishes, I'm talking through the surface. And there may be some tragedies, but I know that you're worth it. I want this to work out, I won't ever forfeit. I just want you happy, you send me right out in orbit, don't force it. The arrow can't be pulled out with the forceps. Cupid shot me down and now I can't ever forget you. And I get so happy when I hear your voice, when I see your name, when I see your choice.
Bye.